Marlena, let's talk about estate planning issues that relate to health. We often think about estate planning as how to manage wealth, but there's some health issues here as well. Talk to me about that.
As we age, you can expect that your capacity to make financial decisions will deteriorate over time. So it's very, very critical to get a power of attorney or a mandate if you live in Quebec to make sure that there is someone in place that you chose to act on your behalf and pay your bills and look after your bank accounts and your maturities for your GICs.
What about talking to the doctor, though? For instance, let's say you want to talk about extraordinary measures being taken. What are your wishes if you're no longer able to speak to yourself? To what extent do you cover that as well in your estate planning?
You would also take into account the power of attorney for personal care. So that's also an important aspect to look after when you speak to your lawyer or your notary in Quebec. Make sure that you cover off both your financial aspects as well as for medical decisions as well.
Okay, last question. The power of attorney for personal care, what's their job really?
Their job is to reflect your wishes. So if you wanted to be on life support or not, they would have a say as opposed to the doctors.
Okay. So you're picking really a spokesman for you to deal with all the doctors and nurses?
That's correct.
Okay, thanks Marlena.
It's a pleasure.